Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 7th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay. So Tesla closed up $19.35, 2.64%. We closed at $752.92. Post-market, we are down 54 cents, 752.38. What does this look like on the chart? We have a nice green candle. We were in this bullish channel and we almost went outside of that bullish channel on Friday because we almost closed outside of it. But no, we closed back inside of it. And today, we are still inside this channel. We have a nice green candle. We went outside of this resistance that we had, then we went back into it. So the channel has not been broken. We have not broken out of the channel. And if we look in the past, we had the top. And let me see where I want to put this resistance here. I had put it at 753, but I think I want to put it right here. I want to put it right where we had the candles here, the 2 wicks of the candles. So this is not 753, this is 750. So let me put 750. And if we put it at 750, it means that we have broken 750. So which would be a good sign. So we are going to need to check what happens with this support to see if it really holds. So we broke outside of 750 and we have a support at 741 because we were in a very small congestion zone. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. This is the 930 candle. So big volume on that candle, 386,000 shares exchanged. And then the average is about 90,000. So big purchase in the morning by somebody. I can tell you it was not me. Then we had a little bit of a pullback on the 2nd hour. Then the pullback stopped. And then we went a little bit higher ever since with some kind of seller pressure, the wicks on the top. And then the last hour was just okay. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. So stochastic at 93, super strong. RSI, it was telling us that the stock was not really that strong because we had the resistance here that corresponds to this congestion zone here. We broke outside of this congestion zone, but the movement was not super strong and RSI was telling us, yeah, you might have broken out of your congestion zone, but for myself, I'm still under this strength level expressed by this resistance. But now we have broken outside of that. So RSI is telling us, okay, yes, now I believe that the stock is stronger. DMI, the green line, which represents the bullishness in the stock, is really strong. It really went almost vertical and the red line went a little bit lower. So what's in stock for Tesla? We have this resistance here that's been broken and we are above 750. So what we want the stock to do is stay above 750. So if we could go higher a little bit and stay above 750 and retest it at some point, that would be the best case scenario. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can join me as a member for $5 a month where you will have exclusive access to my weekly technical analysis and monthly technical analysis I do during the weekend where we look at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir. You can also tip me $20 if you want me to do another stock in a separate video. If you have a stock that you are interested in getting my opinion on, you can just tell me in the comment section below. I'm going to wish you a great evening. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.